What's up, guys? Hope you're having a marvelous day. It's girl Mitch back with another brand new video. If you're new, hey girl, thank God for watching. Before I start this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down some items on my channel. So you read the title. I'm gonna be doing 50 YouTube ideas to grow your channel. If you like that, stay tuned. But hold up, I'm gonna be doing my shout out of the day. Thank you, girl, for supporting me and just giving me love all the time on my YouTube videos, and just for be rocking with me. So let's get into this video. So these are all the ideas that I have. I'm not gonna waste your time, so let me start. Number one is get ready for me to take Instagram pictures. Show us how you get ready, show us how you do your makeup, show us how you get here now, how you prepare your outfits, and how you take your Instagram pictures. Okay, let's show us how you turn into a whole baddie. Okay, next you can do after school night routine. Next, you can do an aesthetic room tour, how you decorate your room. Just shows, it don't even need to be aesthetic, but just shows how your room is. Make sure it's clean and it's ready for a camera. Next, you can do what's in my bag / purse. Those are very good title to do for YouTube because it's trending. We are such a nosy person. We want to know what you have in your bag, what do you carry on a daily basis. Okay, and next you can do a room transformation. Show us how you decorate your room, how you paint your walls, how you do your vanity, how you put up your decorations or whatever. And make sure you do a before and after pictures because I love seeing that on a thumbnail. Okay, next you can do what's on my iPhone. What's on my iPhone is a very good topic to do on YouTube because it's trending. It's going to be trending every year. Okay, I'm a very nosy person. I want to see what apps do you have on your iPhone. Okay, next is unboxing unboxing Apple products. Okay, let's say you got a new MacBook. Let's say you got a Apple Watch. I want to see it because, like, let's say I want to get an Apple product. I want to see how it comes in the packaging or whatever. Those are very good videos to do, but you don't need to buy Apple products to do a video. Okay, don't waste your money. Next, you can do trying hauls. Trying hauls are a very popular topic to do for your YouTube channel because everyone likes. If you love fashion, you can do it. The most popular trying hauls is Shein, Fashion Nova, Pretty Little Things, and make sure you show us how everything is on you, and make sure you tell us the links and your size and whatever. Okay, next you can do how-to videos. Remember, YouTube is a searching engine, so we search up everything, how to do this, how to do that. So if you know how to do something, if you know how to do your eyebrows, if you know how to do your eyelashes, if you know how to do your hair, show us. Okay, because remember, YouTube is a searching engine. Okay, next is what I eat in a day. I love watching these type of videos and they're very popular because I just want to be like, what do you eat? Tell me what you eat for breakfast, tell me what you eat for lunch, dinner, and what you eat in the middle of the day. Okay, tell us. Okay. Next is lit playlist. Lit playlist is so popular. People want to hear what music you listen to, R&B, rap. You know, we want to know what you listen to. And yes, you're gonna get copyrighted, but if you're a small YouTuber, you shouldn't be worrying about that. Okay, you worrying about having fun. Okay, next is lookbook. I love watching lookbook. If you love fashion, show us how you put together your clothes from winter, summer, fall, but now it's winter. Show us a winter lookbook, and summer's gonna be coming around, so show us a spring, not summer, I mean spring's coming around, so show us a spring lookbook. Okay, and just show us how you get your clothes together and just, you know. Next is a day in the life of a online student, a day in life of a doctor, a day in life of a lawyer student. Do that because I want to see what do you do as a lawyer. What's your day in life? Okay, that's very interesting videos. I love watching. If you're a lifestyle YouTuber, is Netflix suggestions / binge-worthy shows to watch on Netflix. I love watching these type of videos and they're very popular. Put on your audience onto something that they come watch because Netflix kind of get a little boring. So put on some shows that you know you love so you can give your supporters other show to watch on Netflix. Okay, beginner friendly makeup routine for dark skinned women, brown skinned women, light skinned women, or just black women in all. Okay, night routine shows what you do in the night for your routine, your facial wash, your dinner, blah blah blah. Just show us that. That's very popular. Next is morning routine, same as night routine, just what you do in the morning. Next is eating Nigerian food, mukbang. If you love eating food, if you're a mukbang YouTuber, that's a good video to do, but don't disrespect their food, okay? That's not good, okay? If you gonna disrespect it, don't do it, okay, girl? Next is how I edit my YouTube videos. If you're a bomb editor and you edit your YouTube videos a lot, girl, show us how you edit it, okay? Put us on, okay? Next is how I edit my thumbnails on YouTube. If your thumbnails be on 10 every time you upload a video, put us on. Show us what the apps do you use. Okay, girl, show us. Next is cook with me. I love watching cook with me. Cook with me. Watch me cook breakfast. Watch me cook lunch, dinner. Show us how you cook. If you can chef it up in the kitchen, show us. Put my makeup while I'm high. That means eating an edible or doing makeup. That's for people who's 18 and over. I love watching these type of videos because it just be funny. Make sure you do it when you're legal. Okay, girl? Next is pranks. I love watching pranks. Prank your mom, prank your sister, prank your uncle. But make sure it's not fake. Make sure it is not planned out. Okay, just be real, okay? And make sure it's entertainment. Make sure it's funny, okay? Just don't put out a prank and it wasn't that funny, okay? Because sometimes it ain't be kiki and laugh. It's a 24-hour glow up for the new year. I love watching these videos. Get your nails done, get your hair done, get your eyelashes done, your eyebrows done. Do a whole 360 on us, okay? Next is a sneaker collection. I love watching these videos. This is making me kind of look a little poor, but hey, I love watching. If you have a lot of sneakers and you're a sneakerhead, show us the sneakers, okay? It's gonna make me feel a little poor, but hey, I like watching these videos. Next is purse collection. If you have so many purses and you get a lot of compliments on your purse, show us, okay? Show us the purse and where you get them from so I can cop to, like, okay? Next is jeans collection. If you have a lot of cute jeans, some ripped jeans, some mom jeans, show us, okay? Because we might want to get some from that same store. Wash hair routine. Tell us the products that you use to wash your hair. And just tell us how you detangle your hair when you're washing your hair. Just tell us, okay? Next, you can do, how do I do a slick back bun on my natural hair, on my relaxed hair, my 4C hair? Show us, because a lot of people love watching how to do hair videos, okay? Remember, YouTube is a searching engine, guys. Next, you can do trying out Pinterest hairstyles. I love watching these videos because knowing me, I'm never gonna do it, but I just like watching people do their hair, okay? Or trying out, not trying out, but copycatting Pinterest outfits. I really don't know the name of it, but I'll put it up. This is an all-nighter. It shows what you do when you're late up in the night, can't go to sleep. And make sure it's entertaining, not boring, okay? Takes up food hacks. Next is Amazon must-have. Shows all your Amazon items that you got from Amazon and tells what we need to get, okay? Next is story time. I love story time. They be so interesting. Make sure it's interesting. If you have an interesting life or story that happened in your life, tell us, okay? But make sure it's interesting. Don't fake it to get some. You can do 50 YouTube ideas, 25 YouTube ideas for channels to grow, okay? Just like I did. Next, you can do pamper routine. Show us how you pamper yourself, get your manicure, pedicure done. Just show us all that. Show us how you do your face mask, how you do your little bad time, whatever. Okay, girl? Next, you can do come with me to get my nails done. I love watching these videos. Let's say you're getting your mani done. I think this is mani, right? Yeah. Let's say you're getting your claws done. Show us that and show us some nice design that I can do on my next nail, appointment. Next, you can do how I style my box sprays. 20 styles. Show us 20 styles how you style your box sprays, or show us 6 styles how you style your box sprays. Do little swoops with the little side bun. Show us how you do that, okay, with your box sprays. Next, you can do how I do knotless sprays. I be watching these videos and I ain't never gonna do knotless sprays by myself, but I love watching these videos and they are very trendy because a lot of people love knowing how to do our hairstyle, okay, girl? Next, you can do rating my subscribers' outfits and make sure you be nice, not mean. I really do want to do that video, but comment down below if you want me to rate your outfit, guys. And next, you can do what I wear in a week. Shows the outfits from Monday to Friday, and just how you look bomb. Okay, girl. Next, you can do how to start a business. Let's say you're a businesswoman or businessman, and you know how to do stuff. Show your audience how to start a business, how to package up orders. I love watching these videos. Okay, girl. Next, you can do YouTube tips and tricks. Like, let's say you gain a lot of subscribers, a lot of views in a short period of time, and you know how to work the algorithm. Tell us the tea. Okay. Next is apartment tour. I love watching these videos, and they're very trending. Okay, show us the kitchen, show us the bedroom, show us the balcony, show us everywhere. Okay, because I'm a very nosy person. Okay. Next, you can do a car tour. I love watching these videos, and they're so popular. Show us what the car that you got, inside the car, everything, okay? Because we're nosy. I know you're nosy, and I'm nosy, so I want to know what you got in your car accessories that you got from Amazon. I love watching these videos, okay? Next, you can do a college room tour. Let's say you're going to a college, and show us the dorm and everything, because there's always a senior just like me going to maybe your college and want to know how the dorm look, okay, how the bed is set up, okay, how the storage and everything. Show us, because there's always somebody searching up those stuff. Okay, the final is college tips, pros and cons of going to your college if you're a college student. I love watching these videos, because say I'm a senior, I'm looking for the college that I'm going to. I want to know the pros and cons. Is that school not partying? I don't want to go to that school because I love to party. Tell us why it's not a party school. Tell us if you like partying, that school is not for you. Guys, so you reached the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you got an idea out of my 50 YouTube ideas to grow your channel. And thank you guys for watching so much, and I hope you're having a marvelous day. Bye, girl.